Have you ever felt like you're doing okay, moving on with your life, and then suddenly a memory, a text, or even hearing their name pulls you right back into pain? It's as if all your hard work to heal just vanishes in an instant. That feeling, that emotional trigger, can feel so overwhelming, can it? But let me tell you something important. You are not powerless here. You can learn to stop those emotional triggers from taking over your mind and your peace. And today, I'm going to share with you practical, simple steps to help you calm your heart, protect your mind, and take back control, even when dealing with a narcissistic ex. But first, I want you to know this. You are not wrong for feeling this way. Your emotions are normal. They show that you cared, that you loved, that you're human. But staying stuck in those emotions, that only keeps you in their game. Here's the truth. You can choose a different response. And this isn't about pretending you don't feel anything. It's about learning how to guide your emotions instead of letting them guide you. So, let's start here. Think about the last time your ex said or did something that triggered you. Maybe they sent a message filled with blame. Maybe they acted as if they were the victim and you were the problem. Maybe they tried to pull you into an argument. Now, imagine yourself in that moment, but this time, instead of reacting with anger or tears, you pause. You take a deep breath and say in your mind, "This is a trigger. I don't have to respond emotionally." That's your first step, awareness. When you start recognizing your triggers, you take away their power. You see, narcissists thrive on emotional reactions. It gives them a sense of control. When you stop reacting, you take back your power. Next, let's talk about how to respond. Use short, simple phrases like, "I understand," or "That's your opinion." Keep your tone calm and neutral. Don't give them the reaction they're fishing for. This is called the gray rock method. Think of it like this: a narcissist feeds off your emotions. But if you become like a gray rock, dull, neutral, uninterested, they lose interest. And yes, at first, it might feel unnatural. You might want to defend yourself or explain your side. But ask yourself, has explaining ever changed their behavior? The answer is almost always no. You can't change them, but you can change how you show up. Now, here's where we go deeper. When you stop reacting emotionally, you might feel like you're being cold. But this isn't about being cold. This is about protecting your peace. This is about teaching yourself that your emotions deserve a safe place, and that safe place isn't with them. This is where something I call delicate detachment comes in. You detach not with anger or hate, but with calm and clarity. You say to yourself, "I can care about this person's humanity without letting their behavior control my life." Each time you do this, you strengthen your inner boundaries. And over time, those triggers that used to feel so big will start to feel smaller. Here's the hard truth, though. Narcissists don't change. They don't suddenly wake up and say, "You're right. I was wrong." That's why your healing has to be about you, not them. Every time you feel the urge to argue, pause and ask yourself, is this worth my peace? Most times, the answer will be no. Let's imagine this together. You get a message from your ex filled with criticism. Instead of getting pulled in, you breathe and say calmly, "Thank you for sharing your view. I'll reflect on it." Then you set your phone down and walk away. Do you feel how different that is from firing back with an angry reply? This is how you break free from their cycle. And remember, after you handle a situation calmly, take a moment to congratulate yourself. Say out loud, "I stayed calm. I protected my energy. I'm proud of myself." That's how healing happens, not in giant leaps, but in small, powerful choices. Every time you choose calm over chaos, you're telling yourself, "I deserve peace." And you do deserve peace. Let's pause here for a second. I know this isn't easy. Maybe you're thinking, but I loved them. Why does it still hurt so much? That pain is your heart processing the loss of the idea of them, not the reality. Reality says they were controlling, manipulative, or unavailable. Reality says you gave more than you received. And reality says you're ready for something better. Better begins with you. Today, I want you to decide, I'm not going to let my past keep me prisoner. I'm choosing peace, even if it feels hard right now. Say it with me. I deserve peace. I deserve healing. I deserve freedom.